Do you have friends, family, or business contacts abroad and want to keep in touch? Making an international phone call from the US. When making international calls, you have several options to choose from, including landlines with international calling plans, VoIP services. To avoid high fees for calling internationally from the US, disabling the roaming feature on your cell phone while traveling is vital. Operator-assisted services like those from traditional carriers can be more expensive than self-dialing automated prompts can help you complete. International calling cards are a viable option to reduce costs for making international calls. Typically, you buy a prepaid card with a specific. If you choose to go with an international calling plan from a provider like AT&T or Verizon, consider how much calling you'll be doing. Making international calls from the US can seem daunting, but with these tips, it can be easy and affordable. Remember to choose the right method. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.